Now everybody sing that shit. Now everybody sing that shit.
I am very excited today because I have always wanted to, put out my goals somewhere where I could actually see it every day and remind myself on what I have to achieve. And by my description and the title below, you already know that I am going to be making my vision board for 2021, and I will be doing it with my sister. But till now, I actually didn't know that there was something like making a vision board to help you achieve your goals until I saw so many people do it. And my main inspiration for this video is Superwoman and Ashna Hegde. I know that it is already the mid of February, but I think that there is no such set timing for when you want to do it. And a small tip that I want to give you, if you want to or if you are willing to make a vision board, is that whenever you plan out your vision board, you have to be in a really calm and composed state of mind. This is going to be my very first vision board, and I am super excited to see how this works out for me, because I really want to continue doing this in the future every year. So I think this will take around 2 or 3 hours for us, but for you it will just be a 2 second switch. It's a while later. We just got back from printing our pictures, and here are the pictures. This is our vision board picture, both mine and my sister's. So we've already cut out our pictures, and everyone usually uses chart papers to make their vision board, but we wanted to keep it very compact. So I will be using my daily diary, and she will be using a for size paper. Yeah. So she has already started making her vision board. And explain us the overview of your vision board.
Okay, so basically, my vision board consists of the biggest change that has happened to me this last year, basically. So, this year, it really means a lot about the wedding for me, and also about how I want to travel with my friends, how I want to learn new things, to be super ready for the new journey that I'm going to go ahead in my life with. This is a compilation of what I think my vision board would look like and what my vision is. So these are few things. It's also work related, personal life related, and how I want to be progressing for my future. So for work related, these are the two things. And to look like this, I am sure I also physically have to work out like this, so you see where I'm coming from. And also, these are my personal goals, which is family, because I would be moving very, very far away from them. And then these are my cute little friends whom I really want to travel with and spend some time with.
So I think your vision board is basically about your wedding this year.
No, it isn't. It's about other things as well. It is also about how I want to look sexy for my work, and also about how I want to build my own brand name.
Okay, so this is how you can be really specific about your vision board. So this is her Instagram page, Click by Ashi, and we have basically, even I have done this. We have edited the followers, and just to keep a round figure, she's kept it 11.1k.
So that it looks real. That looks more real.
Okay, so now I'll ask you a question. What is your biggest goal this year?
My biggest goal this year is to learn how to cook, because I'm gonna be all by myself.
Okay, this picture is really funny. There's a roti here.
Yeah. So there's a story behind this. So my fiance, the only thing he does not know how to make is roti. That is why I took a specific picture of roti.
Okay, so out of these, which one is your personal goal? Like the goal which you personally want to achieve this year?
Okay, so these are 4 letters, that I want to swear by, and it also says swear by, and I have made a collage out of it. So it says Meraki, Wabi Sabi, Fika, and Hyuga. So these are 4 Danish words which has a really good meaning to it. Okay, so Meraki is doing something with your heart and soul and taking out your creativity. Wabi Sabi is something when you are okay with your imperfections. So Fika basically means when you appreciate good things in your life. Hyuga is feeling comfort around your loved ones and forgetting everything when you are around your loved ones.
Okay, so then that is all for your mood.
No, wait. So the cutest one is this one.
Okay, so
this-
couple goals.
Yes, couple goals. So basically, this
Jiju, if you're watching.
Yay. So yeah, this is something I want to do, and these are the kind of things I love to do and I would love to do.
Okay, so it's my turn now, and for my vision board, I am going to be placing my pictures on this cute little crafty brown papers that are on my diary. Okay, so this is how my first page and the second page looks like, so I will explain it to you. So for me this year, I think the most important goal and my personal goal is to stay fit and try to work out. And good news that today itself I am going to go work out. I have joined a gym finally. And of course, second of the most important thing is that I really need to reduce my migraine problem. Like I have to really care about my headache, so I have edited a little cross here in front of the headache thing. And also this is also one of the most important things, and I think this is a bad habit that I have that I actually want to improve. It says, drink some water, you beautiful and capable but dehydrated bitch. And I think this is what my mom tells me every time. So yeah, I really have to focus on drinking loads and loads of water. So and then this is my second page, and this is like the professional page. So for this one, I actually started this in 2020 itself, and I really want to take this forward. So this is my little YouTube channel that I have just started. So I have customized this. By the end of this year, I really want it to be 10k subscribers. So right now, go and subscribe to my channel. And for the second thing, I have my Instagram here and also this. So I want that this year I have my first brand collaboration, like whichever brand it is, small, big. If any brands you're watching this video, please give me a brand collaboration. You will make my dream come true. Okay, so moving forward to the next page, here are some quotes that are I want to relate in my life too. And for your vision board, you can actually put down some quotes so that you can remind yourself of what you want. One thing I really want to improve about myself this year is confidence. I actually am very low of this. So I really want to be confident enough in what I do, in what I wear, in everything, basically confident about myself. And this is something again work related. This is like consistency in posting pictures, posting videos. And so this one says dream, plan, do. One more quote is, I am grateful for small things, big things, and everything in between. So yes, I am, and I always want to be grateful for whatever I have and whatever I will have in future. Okay, so moving forward, I have given this vision of mine a full page because this is like the biggest dream, obviously, to go to a Harry Styles concert, and I hope and I wish that this year it comes true. And Ashi Agrawal, you will help me make this come true. And then coming to my travel vision, so I think all my friends by now know that how much I want to go to Greece, Santorini. I just love this place, the aesthetics of this place. And the next trip I want to go to is this Maldives. Obviously half of the world has already been there, so yeah, these two are my travel visions for this year. I have one more vision left, that is I want to buy myself a nice camera to vlog, but with my own money. So yes, I hope this also comes true. And at last, I want to say that when you make your vision board, it's not necessary that you remember all of your dreams or your goals. So you should leave some pages, some extra pages or some extra space in your board, so that you can just fill it up whenever you remember about something. Okay, so we are finally done with our vision board. So show yours first. Okay, here. Wait. This is how her vision. Show your face. This is how her vision board looks like. So this is how mine turned out, and I think I absolutely love this. So yes, this is all for our vision board, and I think both of us are really motivated after doing this. We are going to start doing it right now. I hope you make yours too and achieve all your goals in 2021. Get up, get started, and do whatever you feel like. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you all liked the video, and if you did, and if you are motivated enough to make this vision board, do let me know in the comments below. Bye bye.